Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off your POCO X7 Pro without using the physical power button. This method is super useful if you want to reduce wear and tear on your hardware buttons and keep your phone in good condition for longer. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the settings menu on your phone. This one, just tap on it and then just scroll down until you find additional settings like this. Just tap on it and then inside additional settings, just tap on accessibility. This one, and here you will find an options called accessibility button. Just tap on it. This is the key feature we will be using. Now you can choose where you want the accessibility button to appear. There are two options like this. There are navigation bar that the button will show up at the bottom of your screen, and then floating button that this button will hovers over apps and can be customized. And if you choose the floating button, you can adjust the size and then transparency and whether it fades out when not in use, like this. And for this tutorial, I'm going with the navigation bar options because it feels more convenient for me, but you can choose whichever is more comfortable for you. And once you have chosen the locations, just go back and then open accessibility menu, this one. Just tap on it and then now simply turn on the accessibility menu shortcut like this. And then immediately you will see the new button appear on your chosen locations. And in my case, since I pick navigation bar, the accessibility button shows up right at the bottom of my screen like this. And here's the best part: whenever you want to power off your phone, just tap on the accessibility button and then just select power, this one. Just tap on it and from here you can turn off your device without ever pressing the physical power button. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? Now you know how to power off your POCO X7 Pro without stressing your physical buttons. This little trick can really help extend the life of your device. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!